Today, me and my friends are playing Gmod, but in Roblox. Ah!
Wee.
Hey guys, so
Oh, I
what?
did it. I did it. Guys, look, Scoobies has tiny little legs. Look, Scoobies has tiny little legs.
What was that? Bele.
You're dead. You're dead, buddy. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
Dude.
Who is that? Who is that? Stay away from me! Stay away from me!
Who's making me emote? Who's making me emote?
Ah! Ah!
Die!
Why did you make me die?
Kahit ka na yung Beatles.
Boo.
Who's killing me? Who's killing
Wait, Ben, can you just stand still? Can you just stand still for a moment?
Alvin is attack.
Can you just stand still for a moment? I can keep flinging you, Sige. I can keep flinging you.
Why?
Why does Scoobies have tiny little legs? Guys, can we play normally? Can we play normal? Oh!
Oh, Maylan! Stop chasing me!
That's
Ah! Stay away! Stay away! Stay away! Stay away, Maylan! Ah! Where am I?
Hello, Mr. Scoobies, where are you?
Kurt! Can I have Beatles?
Ah! Where did Balen go? Oh, there he is.
Di ba bukas dapat yung sa anak ni ano?
Scooby!
Hindi natuloy.
Oh, you keep killing me, Kurt.
Kasi sa health, circumstance, baka may sakit yung...
Can that kill you?
No! Please. Why is there Scoobies? Bomb, patay. Oh, what?
Okay.
Sir, why do you look so goofy? Why do you look so goofy? What the heck?
Rainy
Kurt, why did you fling me so far to the point where it's taking me like 1,000,000 hours for me to get back to the map?
Where the heck
I'm
are you,
gonna
Balen?
I'm gonna snipe one of you guys. If you don't... Oh wait, I finally have B2s! I am bored!
Uy, mahulog ka!
Kurt.
What are you doing inside?
Why is my head so big?
Bro, what the? Bro!
Beat the mountains.
What is happening to you, Balen?
Say goodbye.
Kurt,
Hey guys! If you look at one of the mountains, don't you see one of them is awkwardly shaped?
What the heck?
what the?
Wait, what? Did Alora just say her first words? Ah!
Kurt,
Oh my god, it's Vlad and Nikki!
Kurt.
It's what? What?
Let me give you details.
Okay. Who's watching?
Start over again.
Hello.
Ooh.
What the heck?
Kurt, can you help me?
Why are there two Valens? Why are there two Valens?
Kurt, can you help me? Kurt, can you help me?
Why are there two Valens? Please tell me why. Please tell me. Valen, why are there two of you?
What? What do you mean?
It said there's two of you.
Well,
Good job!
there's only one. There's only one of me.
Who's destroying the platform? Who's destroying the platform?
I don't know.
Why is it so funny? Valen, why is it so funny? You're just a freaking Scooby's flying.
My head is so big. My head is like egg.
But what happened to the platform?
Why is my lip so big? And my eyeballs are sticking out in my eyeballs.
You're a freaking Scooby's.
Hey bro.
Why is there a massive box?
Hey bro.
What?
Remember egg?
Yeah?
Go to the center. Can you see the go to the center. Remember egg? This is him.
Yummy!
Valen, how do you turn into more?
I like that. Look at this. Look at this.
So go to spawner and you see player.
Oh my god, wait. Valen, I got it.
Valen, I can't see it.
But this is egg.
Valen, I can't see the morphs.
This looks like a mud pit.
No, if you see player.
Hello! Hi guys!
What are you, Rain? What are you?
I'm a monstrosity.
Where are you, Rain? Where are you? What is
Can I
that?
have my Beatles back?
Rain, are you a spider? Why is there Rain?
Kurt, can I have my Beatles back?
Rain.
What?
Do you know what egg look like?
Oh my god, this is so beautiful!
Rain, go to the health center. This is what Greg looks like.
Yes, I believe that. Valen, where is Kurt?
Why are there rockets?
Don't ask.
Ah!
Why are there castles?
That's it, Valen. I'm in my final form.
What? Guys?
Help! Help me! Kurt, can I have B-tools? Kurt.
Guys, what? Look, why are there castles? Oh!
I'm in my
Oh!
final form already.
Guys, can you reset the map?
Rain.
Guys, vote clean up. Rain, can you reset the map? Can you vote map reset? Please?
Rain. I'm in my final
Guys, I'm invisible.
Or what?
Why am I
Kurt, where
invisible?
are you? We can't see you anywhere, Kurt. We can't
I'm
see you
invisible
anywhere.
na eh.
Please get out of your invisibility or else.
Okay, fine.
Kurt, can I have my B-tools back?
No! No
Or
more
I'm gonna-
B-tools.
Rain.
What the?
Aw.
How do you guys more? How do you guys more?
My name is Buff Bunny. What?
How do you guys more?
Do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what you look like in Roblox? Do you know what you look like in Roblox?
Valen, this is what I look like.
Oh, what is that?
This is what you look like.
No, Valen, this is what I look like.
This is
What do you mean?
Your head is so giant that you're popping out.
No,
No.
that's Greg.
This is what you
I'm a
look.
baby monkey.
This is what you look like. Oh my god. Why is there an open Gangnam? Oh! Look at the beautiful building I made. Look at the beautiful building. Rain, look at the beautiful building. Valen, look at the beautiful building I made.
Guys, stop lagging the game. I'm dying.
Look at the beautiful building I made.
Guys, look, I'm the roaring knight and a monkey combined.
Oh my.
Look at me, guys. Look at me, guys.
Bye guys. I'm gonna leave na.
Valen, look at me.
Don't. Bye Rain. Bye Rain.
Bye,
Bye Valen. You hate him. You hate him.
Bye-bye.
Bye Valen.
Sila nagbababay na sila dun. Nagbababay na sila.
Bye Valen.
What?
Okay na.
I'm gonna leave na kasi mag-shower na ako.
No, bye.
Call me tomorrow, okay?
Okay.